Okay guys, so what's up? I'm still doing the keto challenge. This is I believe 4.5 or my 5th week. Yeah, this is my 5th week. So I'm on week number 5. When I put the video last time, when I was on week 3, my last weight, I put it on the video. I believe it was around 150. Was it 150? I think it was around 150 point something. Um, so what I did, um, I got a body composition report. I got it done before and after. So I'm gonna put the results. Let me try to zoom in here a little bit. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna put the results. I'm gonna put on after the video. That way you can see the weight that I started. When I started, I was 156. No, 157.8. My 3rd week, I was 150. By the 4th week, I was around a pound less, 149-ish. Right now I'm 145. The keto, what I can say about keto so far, yeah, it works because you're basically not having any carbs. It's just, fat, sorts like steak, eggs, with veggies. When it comes to the fasting, you will have to avoid certain type of vegetables, but it takes a while to get fat adapted. So far I've been doing the fasting also. I pretty much did the 16/8s, and I did the 18/6s and the 24s. The ones that I liked most was the 16/8 because I have more time to eat and I could get myself more. With the 18/6, I felt like I had to rush and eat and stuff like that. So I've been sticking to the 16/8. That's the one that I like, and that's the one that I feel good with. My first advice would be don't get discouraged if you get to a week where you're not losing weight, or like 2 weeks. For example, if you lose a pound a week or a pound and a half, then that's good. That is a regular or normal healthy average weight that you could be losing weight every week. Basically my 3rd week and my 4th week, it was pretty much flat. Like I'll go up like 2 ounces, like 0.4, and then the next day I'll go down 0.2, or it'll be like this. So I did that for 2 weeks, and it was kind of just balancing up and down. So when that happens, you got to think, if you go into a plateau, your weight goes into a plateau, what you have to do is you're doing something wrong. So you kind of have to, arrange yourself. Like, for example, when I started the weight, I was eating more fat. So what I did when I wasn't losing weight, of course, when you're not fat adapted yet, you can go down on the fat. So I went down on the fat a little bit, and then that's when I started seeing the difference. So now you can see what you're doing wrong or what you're doing right. Um, a way that helped me balance back. Also, I did OMAD for 1 day, and then after that, I started cutting down like on the fat. So kind of like a quick bounce back. That's what I noticed. Um, so that's my experience so far. I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna keep posting the stuff that I eat and then how's it going on my weight. Um, I always recommend to lift weights while you do it. It's pretty good because as you're building muscle, you're getting rid of the fat um, a little easier than just dieting and doing the fasting. Because just remember that you don't get fat adapted right away. It could take a while. But that's it for today. I'm gonna post the results after, and you can tell on the left side. On the left side, it tells you where I begin, and then the right side is the current. So um, on week on week 4, I lost almost 7 pounds, and uh, so pretty much I lowered my weight, and then I lost like 5 pounds pure of fat, and so I mean, the only thing I could say is, yeah, sometimes it could be discouraging, but does it work? Yeah, it works.